Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this lecture we are going to discuss on conditional rendering in React.js. Correct? Okay, so like what is condition? Like we have the if else condition. So using if else condition we can separate the UI. Also we have the ternary operator like this. We can separate the UI like some of the part of this screen. Like I want to render on this satisfying condition, or otherwise I will render this screen, right? So we have the if else rendering, and we have the ternary operator. Also we have the and operator, like if the condition will satisfy, then only I will render the UI, right? So let's just talk on firstly if and else, right? Okay, so suppose that I have the state, let's say, is check, is, let's say, true. Okay, and I'm going to check like if is check will be true, then I will render something like this here. And yep, so I'll pass here from f. Okay, now I need to pass this dot state dot check. I can see here getting nan, but because this will be not a number, right? I'm going to write down text here only, like from else, sorry, from f. Correct, you're getting from f, right? And if the condition will not be satisfied, then I will render this UI like text from else. Correct, yep. So now you can see we have the is check value is true, right? So this condition is satisfying, right? That's why we can see here like we are getting from app, right? If I will make this true as false here, you can see we're getting from else, right? So we're getting this. So this is how we can render the UI on the condition base. Okay, let's talk on the second thing. Like if I don't want to use this if and else, then what can I do here? I don't want to use this here. Then what can I do? Like I can simply use this dot state dot is check. I can use the ternary operator, and simply I can put this actually here in this return, right? And correct. And I can do like this, cut and paste here. I just remove this. Yep. Now this is correct, I think. Yeah. So as you can see here, we have the check value is false, so we are getting from else, right? If I will change this as a true here, you can see here we are getting the value we're getting from f, right? Okay, so now if I don't want to use this ternary operator, I want to use the and operator like this. I can remove this, and now you can see here you're getting 0, right? Because the value is true. Okay, now so we are using the and operator. You can see if this condition will satisfy, then only I will render this UI. Otherwise, if the condition will not satisfy, like if I can put false here, so nothing will be like there in this screen, right? So now you can see here we discussed on three things, like the if else condition, the ternary operator, and this and operator, right? So using three techniques, you can render your UI on the conditional based. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much.